Hello, today we'll see how to use the concept of application of properties of an equal ratio by using the property componendo and dividendo simultaneously. Very easy question. You can see here I have taken this solved sum under root x plus 7 plus under root x minus 2 upon under root x plus 7 minus under root x minus 2 is equal to 5 upon 1. Now what we are using here, using the property componendo and dividendo. What do you mean by componendo and dividendo? Componendo and dividendo property, it is we have to take the denominator first, add, and next subtract. So you can see here numerator, that is root x plus 7 plus x minus 2 root, we have taken one bracket, and this denominator we have added here first, and same denominator we have subtracted here. You can see here on the another side also RHS 5 plus 1 and 5 minus 1. So see here under root x minus 2 and minus under root x minus 2 cut. So what it is remaining? Under root x plus 7 2 times, that is we have written 2 under root x plus 7. Now next here under root x plus 7 and minus under root x plus 7 cut, and x minus 2 2 times, here minus minus plus, so 2 times x minus 2. Now what we have done, this 2 we will cut this another sides, so answer will come here 3 upon 2. So our new answer is under root x plus 7 upon under root x minus 2 is equal to 3 upon 2. Now squaring to the both the sides, when we square to both the side, square root symbol will go, and 3 square is 9, 2 square is equal to 4. Now what we will do, cross multiply, 4 multiplied by x plus 7 and 9 multiplied by x minus 2. So our answer is 4x plus 28 and 9x minus 18. We will rearrange this. Minus 18 will come here, 4x will go there. So 28 plus 18, answer is 46, and 9x minus 4x, answer will come here 5x. So our answer is x is equal to 46 upon 5 for the given equation. Understand? Thank you.